Hello dear traders and welcome back to Insta TV. You're watching financial news with me, Anna Kasatkina. After traders absorbed news about acceleration of the US economic growth, it became pretty clear that the Fed will pursue more aggressive monetary policy. However, this information did not dent positive sentiment in the stock market. As a rule, any hints about a rate hike lead to a plunge in the stock indices, but this time the situation was quite different. It seems that investors got used to plans of the Federal Reserve and pay more attention to other news. Thus, the S&P 500 index hit a fresh high as trade relations between the United States and other countries eased to some extent. Donald Trump called off tariffs on steel for South Korea and Brazil, while Argentina is no longer obliged to pay tariffs for imports of steel and aluminium. Furthermore, the indices rise on the back of upbeat corporate reports from the technology sector. On Thursday, the American session closed with a slight corrective movement to the downside. The US dollar index also struggles to gather upward momentum, retreating from the level of 94.50. However, dollar buyers played cool. Similarly, euro buyers also remain cautious. At the start of the American trading session, the euro-dollar pair broke the previous trading range, sliding below the support level of 1.1660. A decline was triggered by the German inflation data that showed stabilization of growth. At the same time, news from the North American turned to be more interesting to investors. The GDP data from Canada did not meet market expectations. In the reporting period, the Canadian economy expanded by just 2.9%, while analysts predicted a rise of 3%. Such an insignificant difference of 0.1 percentage point resulted in rather significant changes in exchange markets. The US dollar versus the Canadian pair was targeting to break the level of 1.30. It is difficult to foresee the further movements in the pair. Market participants are waiting for the outcome of the US-Canada talks concerning the NAFTA trade agreement. You've watched economic news on Insta4X TV. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast of the latest developments in the financial markets. See you back soon.